Yes, sir.
So good afternoon, each and everyone who is present physically as well as through this VC. So like every year, this year we are also we are again celebrating Swachhta Pakhwada from 1st to 15th July. Now, why we are doing and what is the importance of this? For this, I want to share few of my views, which of course I have compiled through net only, but I'm having the few views from the others as well as few my personal views which I would like to share. Okay, so a clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019. This was said by Shri Narendra Modi as he launched the Swachh Bharat mission at Rajpath in New Delhi on 22nd October 2014. Now, Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout length and breadth of the country as a national movement. The campaign aims to achieve the vision of a clean India by 22nd October 2019. This was initially targeted. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant cleanliness campaign by the government of India. Shri Narendra Modi led a cleanliness pledge at India Gate, which about 30 lakhs government employees across the country joined. He also flagged off a walkathon at Rajpath and surprised people by joining in not just for a token few steps, but marching with the participants for a long way. While leading the mass movement for cleanliness, the Prime Minister exhorted people to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's dream of a clean and hygiene India. Shri Modi himself initiated the cleanliness drive at Mandir Marg police station, picking up the broom to clean the dirt, making Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a mass movement across the nation. The Prime Minister said, people should neither litter nor let others litter. He gave the mantra of no gandagi karenge, na gandagi karne denge. ना गंदगी करेंगे और ना गंदगी करने देंगे. Shri Narendra Modi also invited 9 people to join the cleanliness drive and requested each of them to draw 9 more into the initiatives and this movement. By inviting people to participate in the drive, the Swachhta Abhiyan has turned into a national movement now. A sense of responsibility has been evoked among the people through the Clean India movement, with citizens now becoming active participants in cleanliness activity across the nation. The dream of a clean India, once seen by Mahatma Gandhi, has begun to get a shape. The Prime Minister has helped spread the message of Swachh Bharat by urging people through his words as well as actions. He carried out a cleanliness drive in Varanasi as well. He wielded a spade near River Ganga at Assi Ghat in Varanasi under the Clean India mission. He was also joined by a large group of local people who cooperated in the Swachhta Abhiyan. Understanding the significance of sanitation, Prime Minister Shri Modi has simultaneously addressed the health problem that roughly half of the Indian families have to deal with due to lack of proper toilets in their homes. People from different sections of the society have come forward and joined this mass movement of cleanliness. From government officials to Jawan, Bollywood actors to the sportspersons, industrialists to the spiritual leaders, all have lined up for the noble work. Millions of people across the country have been day after day joining the cleanliness initiatives of the government departments, NGOs, and local community centers to make India clean. Organizing frequent cleanliness campaign to spreading awareness about hygiene through plays and music is also being widely carried out across the nation. Prime Minister himself has praised the efforts by people and various departments and organizations for taking part in the Swachh Bharat mission and contributing towards a cleaner India. Shri Modi has always openly lauded the participation of people via social media. The My Clean India was also launched simultaneously as a part of the Swachh Bharat drive to highlight the cleanliness work carried out by Indian citizens across the nations. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has become a Jan Andolan, receiving tremendous support from the people. Citizens too have turned out in large numbers and pledged for a neat and cleaner India, taking the broom to sweep the streets, cleaning up the garbage, focusing on sanitation, and maintaining a hygienic environment has become a practice after the launch of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. People have started to take part and are helping spread the message cleanliness is next to godliness. The recent painting competition, which was widely participated by our kids, is worth appreciating in this direction. Swachh Bharat mission means physical cleanliness as well as cleanliness of our thoughts. The physical cleanliness in and around our home and workplace keep us healthy, while clean thoughts keep us happy and peaceful. Here, clean thought meaning is of good thoughts or the positive thoughts. The difficulty is how to control and ensure the flow of positive thoughts. This comes through yoga and the dhanasana as we practice on regular basis. So in present scenario, when we are passing through an unprecedented COVID-19 situation where everybody is afraid of this dreaded virus, the lockdown situation and fighting against invisible virus has made our day-to-day life very unexciting and serious. In the process, this is my personal thought, we are not living the present and we are not enjoying the present moments and worrying for the future. This can be overcome through cleanliness drive, physically as well as the mentally. So let us practice, let us follow and practice this and enjoy the present pleasant moment. Thank you and Jai Hind.